Budgeting for beginners is a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide that's going to help you get started, and I'll put it all in the description. Number one, understand your income. List all sources of income, including your salary, side jobs, and any other earnings, okay? Calculate your total monthly income. Number two now, track your expenses. For a month, keep a record of all your spending. Categorize expenses into a fixed rent, utilities, and variable groceries, entertainment in two different brackets. Use apps, spreadsheets, or a simple notebook to track this information. Number three, create budget categories. So divide your expenses into categories such as needs. Needs like essentials like housing, food, and transportation. Then you got another category, wants. So, non-essentials like dining out, hobbies, and entertainment. Then you got your savings, basically your money that's set aside for emergencies or future goals. All right? Should all be in there, by the way. Number four, set spending limits. Spending limits, so allocate a specific amount for each category based on your income and spending habits. Make sure that your total expenses do not exceed your total income. Number five, use the 50-30-20 rule. It's optional, but what it is basically a simple guideline. It's 50% for your needs, 30 for your wants, and 20 for your savings. Number six, monitor and adjust, okay? So regularly review your budget and see how you're sticking to it. Adjust categories and spending limits needed based on your actual expenses. Number seven, stay committed. It's all about consistency with this. Stick to your budget and be mindful of your spending habits. It may take a few months to get used to budgeting, but consistency is the key. By following these steps, you're going to be well on your way to managing your money effectively.